We guide you through how to use Revolt. So the first thing you need to do is to download the Revolt app from the App Store or Google Play. Then open it and sign up using your phone number and verify your identity by uploading a valid ID and taking a quick selfie. Once your account is approved, set up your security PIN and enable biometric login for safety. Next, add money to your account by tapping Add Money and linking your debit card or bank account. Then choose your preferred currency if needed. After that, explore the main dashboard where you can see your balance. Tap Payments to send money instantly to contact or bank details, or use cards to create a virtual card for online shopping. You can also set budgets and track expenses by going to the Analytics section, where your spending is automatically categorized. If you want to exchange currencies, tap Exchange and select the amount with real-time rates. And finally, always check your notifications and security settings to monitor transactions and protect your account.